At first, take my salam to my honorable teacher. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahfuzur Rahman. My ID 1822639. Today, my presentation topic is what is PIL, Public Interest Litigation. There is no confusion as the general meaning of PIL that it is a litigation of the interest of the public. Yet there are more attempts to be specific about the scope of the PIL. Then less satisfactory become its general description. Terms like litigation, public or interest have different meaning and scope in the different situation. Further complication arise when the term public interest is the issue. Social activism for the social justice. Of all the perspectives from which of bill has been examined, the social justice perhaps to the social activism. It perhaps the most significant me for the subconditional of PIL. The social activism responsibility of the citizen, including in the legal profession of which term of their social constitution. It's considered to be the responsible for the development and success of PIL. Public interest in a PIL case. Firstly, public interest is given over the special interest, private interest, and group interest, and best interest. In other words, in the face competition of the interest of different kinds of the interest of the public privilege. Secondly, it is the just of decided what is public interest by exercising his restriction. This thus is the matter of fact, and it is decided in the case of two case basic. First, in the matter of case, we identify when know whether and to make involves public interest or not when he encounter it. Thank you, sir.